फ्रेंड्स, कुछ मिनट्स की एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद या ये गर्मी में कुछ कदम रास्ते पर चलने के बाद, इफ our body starts feeling discomfort, starts sweating profusely, think about the people who are on the roads 24/7, different frontline workers, soldiers, some kind of our team of police officials, police personnel. They are doing their work in this pandemic 24/7. It's all for us. Just think about it. So today it's positive sharing day 3 on Kuch Meetha Ho Jaye from Sanjay Jogani. Ketan Rawal, the story of today. He is a businessman and owner of a fleet of vanity vans in Mumbai, one of the largest fleet owner. He has been giving his vanity vans to different Bollywood actors and celebrities during the normal times. He saw that his resources can be used for the police personnel who are giving duties at different Nakabandi and Bandobast areas. And what he did was he supplied his vanity van for their services at different points so that they can eat, they can have some rest, they can change their outfits, and they can use washrooms at different times of the day. Because for these things to be managed, these people, this personnel had to walk few, maybe a couple of kilometers to different chowkis, and which was very, very difficult for them, and specifically for female police officers and the officials. So this is a huge kind of a service which this businessman has thought of, used his resources to his optimum utilizations. Salute and thank you, Mr. Ketan Rawal. Similarly, friends, during this time, if we are not moving out, if we have certain kind of limited resources which we can think we have, we can put them into right use, at least by not forwarding wrong messages, unauthenticated messages and unapproved messages, because that multiplies to become a kind of a rumor and it spreads huge negativity. Let's be little more responsible in what we put on different social media platforms, and we can make some small groups and try and compile and consolidate few data wherein some plasma is available, oxygen is available, hospital beds are available, some tiffin services are available. At least we can do certain things. Few of us should gather, must gather and do this for the service of the humankind and the people who are suffering during this crisis. Let's do it. Let's be more responsible, my friends. Stay positive, stay healthy, and enjoy your Sunday. Thank you.